today we are going to be making some meatloaf. So first, take it forever.
You're fine. This is our first attempt at a cooking video where we make meatloaf together. And Abby has gotten her ingredients and everything out, and she wants to be able to see the steps, so she has it out on her phone there. And what we've got here is some our ingredients already portioned out. So here we go. She's going to tell you now.
So we have our oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also set, if your oven is set to Celsius, you can put it on 175. And we're going to start with mixing the meatloaf, beef, with the egg, the onion, the milk, the bread, and our,
And how much of each do we have? How much milk do we have?
We have half a cup of milk. We have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of mustard with a third ketchup. We have 1 egg. We have a chopped onion. You should have a large onion and chop it. And you should always have an adult with you at all times when you're making this. I have my dad behind the scenes. We have... Why is this so blurry? We've got... I know. So say it. I know. So we have half a cup of breadcrumbs. We have salt and pepper to taste, till you taste it. And then we have, that's it. What?
And then we also have a pound of beef.
Which is the most important part. Why did I even forget that? So now let's get mixing with the breadcrumbs, onions, and the milk. And the egg. Can't forget the egg. Can I grab a pair of gloves?
You can grab a pair of gloves.
I'll be right back.
We also should wash our hands before doing this as well.
Yes. So, let's start.
Egg first. Start with the egg.
Okay.
Say what you're doing.
Okay, so we've cracked the egg in. Shell. Don't want any shell in there. So now, let's put the next ingredient in. The milk. Okay, so now we will put in onions, pieces. Let's get all those onions in there. Done. And lastly, we'll do the breadcrumbs. Let's put them in. They also have the salt and pepper mixed in with them. So now, we're gonna start mixing. This is turning out nuts. You were wrong, Dad. It's not that wet. The breadcrumbs and the meat definitely did.
Well, there we go. I didn't know that it was going to do that. I thought the milk was kind of weird.
What? It seems to be going good. This is cold.
Does it feel like mud?
Kind of, actually.
And do we want to make sure that it's nice and even?
Yes, we do.
We want to make sure all those ingredients are mixed in there real good, nice and even.
Just like those onions. These gloves are so big for me, I have to keep pulling them up. Make sure if you're young and your gloves don't fit you to have hair ties on the edges of them so that you don't have to keep taking your hands out. Stop mixing. I didn't do that, and now I have to keep pulling my thing back. Think that's good enough, Dad?
Let's take a look. What do we think? Oh, I think it looks great. What's the next step? What do we have to do? We have to turn it into a log, right?
Yep. We gotta turn it into the... So...
And look at this. We've already got a pan set up right here. We're going to bring the pan on over so that we can dump our meatloaf in and turn it into a log. So why don't we just pick up the whole... There you go. Put it in there. All right.
Let's get the rest of this one.
All right, we got it all in there.
Okay,
Now we're
so-
going to squeeze it all together and make it into a long, skinny log.
I made the wrong choice to not have any hair ties in my gloves.
There you go. Look at that. That's looking really good. We might want to turn it sideways so it gets heat from both sides. So if we spin it, think we can do that? Do you need me to hold that? There you go. Look at that.
Just kind of pat that down. Thank you.
You're welcome.
By doing that, you made my ring finger go into my pinky.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so next step is to mix the brown sugar with the ketchup and mustard mix. I'm going to take off my gloves for this because I don't want to get this grease and all of this stuff. I'm not going to throw them away.
You don't need them anymore.
You know?
Nope.
No, it's because I'm going to... Oh, yeah. Never mind. You're right. So now, let's pour all these in here. And mix this a little bit. Now,
Keep going. You want a nice pasty mixture.
kind of like this orange kind of color.
Yep.
You want to keep going until you can't feel any of that brown sugar. Like this is good. Right, Dad?
Yeah, that looks great. Now what?
Now we're going to pour it on top of the meatball. Make sure you get all over.
That's looking really good.
Yeah, that is. Honestly, my honest opinion, honestly. And I am a bit picky myself. A bit. I'm not that picky. I'm a bit picky.
So what are you doing? You're making sure what? That you're coating the whole thing?
Yep. You want to do that before you put it in the oven. So, and get this side. And the rest of this. This is looking nice and good.
Mm-hmm.
So we've used all of that, and now it's time to put it inside the oven.
All right, let's get it going. So let's
Yeah.
back up.
Okay, I'll hold the camera while you're doing this.
Okay, you got the camera?
Yep. So
I'm gonna grab a oven mitt here so that I can pull out the tray without burning myself. And we're gonna put that meatloaf in there. Close it on up. And now at 350 degrees, we're gonna set our timer for 1 hour. And we'll see in an hour for the conclusion of how this works out.
let it keep going and cooking. We'll see you guys then. Okay.
Go ahead.
Welcome back, guys. The meatloaf is done. I cannot speak today. I said Earl. Oh, I meant all. Now, let's take the meatloaf out. And my dad's gonna do it, not me. See that? Ooh, that's nice, nice, good.
Looking good. Looks great.
That actually looks really good for an hour. It's not burnt like we thought it would be. But
So there's our meatloaf with our sugar glaze on, barbecue sugar glaze and brown sugar and stuff.
we made some other things to go with it because this is going to be our dinner. So we made some mashed potatoes. We made some vegetables. And thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.